This is my Olympics. How are you? Grandma is going out tonight to pre-game. We leave to go out in 3 hours. But I was like, you know what? I need to sit in my bathroom and have conversations with myself to get myself hyped up enough to go out. This is the outfit that I'm going to wear tonight. The boots are a little bit boring, so I went on Pinterest. It was a lot of like country girl, cowgirl boots that had little bows on them, but I was like, you know what? Let's do it. So we're going to DIY a little bow thing on my boots just to make me feel better about myself. God, I don't know. The boots in question, I have not worn them out yet, so tonight's the first night and I'm very excited. They're cute, they're a very good basic, but they're a bit boring. And I noticed that they have this little tab here. This little tab is perfect to put little bow in. And lucky for me, one of my failed sewing projects, I was going to put a little lace on something, didn't work. Lucky me that I had a failed project. So now I have this lace. Scissor haul, by the way. My roommate is so sweet and supportive. I use his scissors and I was like, these are the best scissors I've ever used in my life. And then today he was like, oh, hey, I have a gift for you. Me throwing this around. I opened it and it was whatever. So sweet. I was like, do you have a crush on me? Like, my boyfriend's standing right there. There's like a cream one and then a black one that looks like this. I was thinking of doing one bow in this and then on top of that putting a black bow, so then the black bow stands out a little bit. I want it to be kind of long but not like drag on the ground. I need a little something extra to feel good about myself because I don't know if you can tell, my hair is greasy. The last time I went out was the beginning of summer and it is the end. It's over. So I just need a little extra pizzazz to get me out the door. And that extra pizzazz looks like putting bows on my boots. Oh, yeah, maybe that bow's too big. Does that look too artsy craftsy? I know the bow trend is so last 6 months ago, but let a girl have fun. This is girl help. Girl help. Oh my God. This is what, 1 second. I have my full tripod. I think I'm just gonna do it to the other one. I don't know, it's kind of cute, but again, the pictures I saw like this, they were all very country, like cowgirl boot. And I'm from Missouri, okay? I love it, but I just don't know if that's the look I'm going for. Okay. It does look a little Western. It just adds a little something different to it. A little bit more interest on the shoes. I don't know, girl. Okay, that took up about half an hour of my time. So I'm going to be productive, go do some editing, and then we'll check back in once I start getting ready because I kind of crash out every single time before I go out. And the camera just like calms me up, just like it's such a calming presence. Mama needs a wine of glass to calm her down. Did I say a wine of glass or did I say a glass of wine? I really don't know, but whatever I said, I meant it. Okay, I did. It's a few hours later. I am currently drinking pumpkin spice espresso martini from Trader Joe's. It is so gross. It is so gross. Had to put milk in it. So that's why it's this color. We leave in 20 minutes. We were just chatting and it was like, oh my God. We're going to do makeup, hair, change very quick because I cannot be the last one ready. I hate being the last one ready. I cannot stand when people are like waiting on me. It feels pretty bad, if I'm being honest. I gotta do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do gold on the center middle of my eyes, the corner of my eyes. Honestly, I don't really know. As long as I like get something on my face. I never wear any face makeup because I get so sweaty and red and hot. So it's like there's really no point to it at all. Thank you. Trying to be good about hydrating because I'm 26 now. I cannot drink and be dehydrated because that is embarrassing and I just can't. Giving myself a 15-minute timer, that's smart. This is what I have to do so I can pace myself when getting ready. And there we go. Okay, I have to lock in. The way my lighting is right now, okay, first off, I'm dripping in sweat. This is my Olympics, trying to get ready when I didn't allot myself enough time. But really, it is good for me to like speed run getting ready, so then I don't have time to let my anxiety like run wild, which sounds like, girl, you need help. But that's the thing, this is me with help, okay? This thing that we're going to is a great cause. I think it's called Reach LA. I don't remember what it's called exactly. They do great things for the community, and that's like something that I would love to support. So when I heard about this, I was like, yeah, I'm going. This is so pretty. I don't know if you can tell me. Oh my God. This is eye glitter that I got from Daiso in Japan. 6 minutes has gone by. I don't know how. I love doing like a peachy cream on my bottom waterline. People say that it doesn't look good, but I like it. Brown mascara, because I love brown mascara. Bottom brown mascara, even though I know it's gonna end up on my face and everywhere, but it's fine because it looks cute. How would you? Perfect. It's a part of the process. I can hear my roommates running around the house. Okay, let's check the time. 3 minutes? Oh my God. The makeup is done. I will do clear gloss because that is personally my favorite. Getting dressed, running back, showing you hair gone. Bada bing, bada boom, it's that easy. Okay. I have this pimple on my chest, which went away and then came back once I started using retinol. Anyways, this is the outfit with those boots. I have the jewelry. I have this little like cute belt, body chain thing, gold jewelry. Look how cute this top is. This is me crashing out, like actually. Added this ring, it's gonna turn my skin green. The bag, okay. The bag, my crocodile, whatever. Glossier You. Too much, I panicked. Ugh. Okay, and then the final touch, my anti-chafe cream. Maybe I'll film a little, maybe I won't. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye, I might change my hairstyle. Oh, depending on how much time I have. Okay, bye.
Hello, Jeremy.
Hi, Waymo.
Hi, Waymo.
I'm kind of scared.
Who's driving?